Good morning. I won't be at school today because one of my daughters is sick. I will be back tomorrow though. So here's what I'd like to remind you about with App Inventor since we just started it yesterday. When you go to our website, I'm going to pull that up real quickly here. When you go to the website, make sure you go down to the App Inventor page. And the first video, which you should have started yesterday, which should be finished at this point as well, is called Talk to Me Part 1. Now the plan is for you to watch the video and to kind of work along with it. So you might want to watch part of it, pause it, and go to App Inventor and work. When that part is done and it is successful, meaning you have a tablet connected to it, you push the button and it says, "Congratulations, you made your first app." You're done with that first part. Then you're going to move yourself down to part number 2. Part number 2, you're going to add an accelerometer sensor. The purpose of that is when you shake the tablet, it's going to say, "Hey, stop shaking me." So you're adding a couple extra components to it. When you get that to run successfully, then just move yourself right down to ball bounce. If for some reason you get all 3 of those done today, take yourself back to our code.org page and then just pick up where you left off, course 2, course 3, or one of the hour of codes. Back to App Inventor here. Once you go, make sure you click on Create Apps. And a reminder, once you're signed in, everything is saved. It's just going to pull up what you worked on from yesterday. And here's a reminder of how the layout is for this website. Left-hand side is the palette, so that's the user interface. What is the person going to see with your app? So right now they're going to see a red screen, a blue button that has text for button 1. Now if I were to buy an app, I'm not going to want to buy an app that says text for button 1, so you're going to want to change that. You're going to change that over here in the properties. So right now I'm on the screen. If I want to change the screen color, I have to select screen, then I'm going to change the background color. Maybe I want to do a light gray instead. If your tablet is connected and you make the changes here, it automatically makes the changes on your tablet as well. So kind of a cool deal to see a live change happening. I want to change the button 1. I want to change it so the text doesn't say button 1, it says talk to me. I hit enter, it automatically changes here and on my tablet. So make sure you go through and really look at to see what does the interface look like, this part, what are the components doing, can I add something else to it, can I put my own image in there, what can I do to make mine unique from everybody else's. Also be respectful. When you do push this button on your tablet, it might be really loud and sometimes kids start giggling about it, so just check your volume on the tablet before you start. Again, the 2 different parts. This is the user interface part where you're designing what it looks like, and the blocks are actually what's going to happen. So right now, nothing actually happens with my app until I code it, until I drag the blocks out. I click on button 1, I drag the blocks over, I connect, then I can make it happen. So again, go back to here, watch your videos, watch the first video, create your first app. Second video, second app, third video, third app. Now for some of you that want to kind of work ahead, what you can do here is when you start getting your blocks, you can draw these blocks in your notebook. If you don't quite understand that, I will come back tomorrow and we'll get that taken care of. All right, I hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow.